Hi guys, welcome back to Thrifty Fashion with Kyle, and today we're going to turn these two old t-shirts into this necklace. All you'll need are two old t-shirts and a pair of scissors, fabric or normal. First, cut 5 strips of fabric from your t-shirt. Do this on both t-shirts. Make sure to cut out any labels. Next, stretch out each piece of fabric. Do this with both t-shirts as well. You should end up with 2 piles like this. Now turn your 2 piles into 1 pile by alternating the 2 colours. Pass one end of the pile to someone and then begin twisting the pieces of fabric together. Once you're happy with the twist, tie a knot in one end. Then swap ends and tie a knot in the other. Cut an extra strip out of one of the t-shirts and stretch it out as you did the others. Attach this new strip of fabric to the necklace just by looping it in a knot. Do this on both ends. You can neaten up the knots with your scissors. So now you have your completed necklace. If you want to check out all the other stuff that PlayPlace are doing during the lockdown, check them out at PlayPlace Youth Services on Facebook and Instagram. And if you want to see more from me, you can follow me on Instagram at Flynn Davies, Twitter at Flynn Davies, or also on Instagram at Flynn Davies Anygram. I'll see you next time. Bye!